Hey guys, I'm Cecilia and this is my brother, Juan. Today we're having a new channel called
Kids Gameplays.
And today we're going to be unboxing the 1-Up box.
It is absolutely amazing.
So if you don't know what a 1-Up box is, it's basically
A monthly subscription box that costs around $12
and it's basically like a box that has a bunch of that either has a bunch of different games with a bunch of different toys from different games.
It's not always toys.
Yeah, but let's start unboxing.
Oh, so we're not gonna look at it.
We're just gonna pick randomly from this box.
Okay, he's picking some. Okay,
So this is a little sister from
BioShock.
yeah. I don't know what that is. Pop. This is a pop. Yeah. There's also you can also get Big Daddy or yeah. So now it's my brother's turn.
Wait, I'm not supposed to look at it. Oh, we got the t-shirt. And we got
The Jurassic World.
it's Jurassic World.
This is what it basically looks like.
I've actually. So,
My
next item will be.
We're almost done. A key cover.
We have no idea what that is.
It's so you can cover your keys up.
And look. Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna get not that much stuff. Oh, there's a little
Keychain.
Vault Boy keychain. Yeah, okay, that's cool. You probably can't even see it, but
It's my
anyway.
now it's my turn.
Yeah, of course. What are you gonna get?
And this is the pin. It's from.
Wait, that's Little Buddies.
This is from Little Buddies.
No, it's 1-Up box.
It's
1-Up
the
Buddies.
1-Up Buddies. So this is basically the pin.
And 1-Up Buddies are like a t-shirt brand by 1-Up box, so yeah. And I think that might be this. There's a card, and it is dinosaurs and stuff. Yeah.
So today's theme was survival.
And
So
yeah.
that's why there was like
So it's like
Jurassic World,
Fallout.
BioShock.
Yeah, BioShock. Fallout. Yeah. Okay, so if you want to continue watching our videos and be the first one to see them, you can subscribe and like for more videos.
Don't forget to comment on the comment section below. And remember to tell your friends about our channel. And thanks
For watching.
for watching
Really?
our new video.